In this segment of the PowerPoint tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to format the slides into 16 by 9 format instead of 4 by 3. Notice that these slides that I have currently here are of the old format, which is 4 by 3. And if I go to present this, notice it leaves on each side of the screen, it leaves these black stripes here. So to change this, we need to go and change the slide format to 16 by 9 so it'll fit in most projectors out there. To do that, we go here under the Design tab on the ribbon, on the Office ribbon, and then we go under the slide size and choose 16 by 9. And at this point, notice that all the slides in the presentation have been changed. And if we press play here, or start presenting the slideshow, notice that we no longer have these black stripes on each side of the screen.